Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem on your Windows 11 system. In the first step, we need to go to search bar and then type troubleshoot settings. Then from the search results, click here to open it. Now on this window, we need to simply select other troubleshooters. So click here. Then just scroll down and from recording audio, simply select run. This will try to detect the problems recording audio. So again it will try to fix it. So wait for some time. Once done, close this window, then go to search bar and simply type settings, then click here to open it. Once we are here, simply go to privacy and security, select it, then just scroll down and search for microphone. So here it is, and simply click here to open it. Then we need to turn on this option, microphone access. Simply click here. After that, turn on this option, let apps access your iPhone, then turn on this. Now we need to turn on all these options on your computer. After that, turn on this one also, let desktop apps access your iPhone. After that, close this window, then open device manager. For that, you can simply right click here on start icon and click on device manager. Once we are here, we need to expand audio inputs and outputs. So right click here and select properties. Once we are here, select drivers tab, then click on uninstall devices. So it will ask you to uninstall this device from your system, so click on uninstall. After that, simply restart your system, and that's it guys. Your problem will be solved and you're good to go.